In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable online speech recognition on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, you can go back with settings, go ahead and select that. And then you want to select on the left panel where it says privacy and security. On the right side underneath Windows permissions, select where it says speech. And then where it says off or on, just go ahead and toggle this to the on position to enable it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.